Hi, I'm Chef Tammy Brawley from the Green Kitchen. Coming up, I'm going to show you guys some delicious peach ice cream. Nothing says summer better than ice cream. What we have done ahead of time here is we have chopped up some peaches and we've let them macerate in the refrigerator with some lemon juice and some sugar. They had to go for at least a couple of hours. And then we've also mixed some milk, some heavy cream, and a little bit more sugar, and that's been chilling in the refrigerator as well. So now that it's been a couple of hours, we're going to drain the peaches. We want to drain them in a colander over a bowl because we're going to use both the juices and the peaches. But we're going to start with just the juices. And now what we want is to get our ice cream bowl out of the freezer. We're going to put together the ice cream maker, just the base, and then the bowl. We're going to lock it into place. And now we're going to stir our juices from the peaches and the sugar and the lemon juice into our milk and cream mixture. And we're going to start the churning process. Takes about a half an hour. This is actually, I think, a cup of whole milk, 2 cups of cream, and then the sugar base. Absolutely cannot be done if your freezer bowl is not frozen, so make sure you do that. And we'll come back in a few minutes after this has had time to churn. In about the last 5 minutes, we'll add those delicious chopped peaches. All right, and we're back. Our ice cream has been churning for about a half an hour or so. Now it's time to add the peaches. Right through the top. Recipe called for about 2 cups. We might have a little bit more than 2 cups. I'm just going to stick a spoon in there to kind of move them down a little bit. A couple more in there. So what if it's more than 2 cups? This is going to taste so good. Nice summertime peaches that we've peeled, and then we did the rough chop on them and let them macerate in the refrigerator. And that term macerate, it always confuses people. It's pretty much the same as marinate, but it's with fruits and vegetables as opposed to meats, which you would marinate. And all we've done is infuse the sugar and the lemon juice with the peaches. I think it's ready. All right, I can see we're going to have a little bit of a mess, but it's not good if it's not messy. Oh, gosh, messy or not, this looks delicious. Have a nice serving bowl waiting to the side. And pull our churning blade out. All right. Y'all are about to see me get real messy here. That's all right. So, gosh, it's so good. It is still somewhat soft. That's totally fine. If you want it to be more firm, you can put this back in the refrigerator. And there you have it, fresh peach ice cream. Join us next time on Heart of the Home.
Recipes from the Heart of the Home can be found on the Virginia Farm Bureau website at vafb.com/recipes, as well as on Chef Tammy Brawley's website at greenkitchenrichmond.com.